Hala, dapat pala yung ano dinala ko. Yung mojito ba yun? Guys, magmukbang tayo. Ang laki. So big. Fresh from the ano. This one is good. Dito, this line.
Ang laki ng sisa.
Laki nga, oh.
Dito yan.
Guys, this is my farm. And they are my pickers.
I did that as a job before. Yeah, apple picking. I did strawberry.
Oh?
Ito na. Ano kita ba?
Magmukbang tayo, nene.
First, you got the contour.
Try it. Di ba? Masarap.
Mas matamis to hang kaysa dito.
This one, this side.
Ito.
Nene, this one is good. Try it.
It's too big.
Ayun.
The small one.
It's okay. We'll do mukbang. Apple mukbang. It's good, eh? So we'll get this one?
Paghaluan na lang natin.
Guys.
Masarap daw to, Lam. Ha? Masarap daw ito. Kumuha ka na, dyan banda. Ayoko na yan.
Nasa.